Hello my beautiful nail lovers, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time and location. You're highly welcome to Osi Lounge. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. This channel is a go-to destination for latest and trending nail designs and hairstyles. So if you love beautiful nails and hairs, kindly do well to subscribe to this channel, okay? Then turn on your bell notification so that you don't miss our videos as soon as we upload them here in this channel. Get ready to take your nail game to the next level when you stick by us, because we'll bring nothing but more stylish nail designs and hairstyles. To you my returning viewers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. Thank you for coming around. God bless you guys for all the support, for the engagement. Trust me guys, we'll not take it for granted. We love you guys. Thank you so much, and please keep supporting us, and trust me, we'll keep bringing mind-blowing videos to you so that you stand out. Thank you so much. So my ladies, just like today's video, we have carefully selected most stylish and trending nail designs for my ladies, gorgeous nails ideas for my elegant ladies. So you guys, please take your time to watch the video from beginning to the end. Just when I say you'll be loving these nails ideas, okay, because they are so beautiful. We have a lot of stunning designs, different colors, different nail shapes, different unique nail art on each of the nails. So please ensure to watch from beginning to the end to select your most loved ones. Also share to your loved ones so they can also be part of this beautiful video. So you guys, please as well support us by liking this video, okay? Share and comment. We'll be waiting for your lovely comment in the comment section. Just tell us what you think about this lovely video. Do you like them? Are you gonna be trying any of these nails? Just let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much my ladies. Please like, comment and share. God bless you all. Bye.